flooding further upstream. Authorities are monitoring the situation, this time very carefully indeed, but they haven't ruled out the use of explosives to break up large ice blocks which may form once the ice starts to shift as the thaw finally comes. There's an icebreaker which is stuck in that mooring over there. The captain not sure when he's going to be sent out to try to break up the ice and make sure that the traffic can move. But this area is dependent on fishing, on the passenger cruise liners that come up and down the Danube. This is Europe's second biggest river, don't forget. And as you can see, it's completely paralyzed.
Now, the search for extraterrestrial life is about to heat up. A powerful new radio telescope is about to start its first major scan of the heavens. It's expected to give the most detailed map of space so far and can search for signals going back almost as far as the Big Bang. Tim Friend reports now from Exlu in the Netherlands.
From the air, it looks like it could be a new technique for growing crops or even a nature reserve. But this is the world's most complex radio telescope, and scientists hope that it's about to produce some outstanding results. This modest-looking installation is helping to answer questions about the very beginnings of the universe. And as it does so, there is always the possibility that it may detect something unknown from outer space.
This telescope has one huge advantage over previous telescopes, and that is that it's in the area of the sky simultaneously. So if you're looking for faint signals or faint beacons from other extraterrestrial civilizations, then this is the telescope that can do it better than any other telescope. So, I mean, there's no guarantee that we'll detect those signals, but I hope that we'll go and look for them. And I think it's one of the most important questions that astronomers can actually consider, is whether there is other intelligent beings out there. I'm sure there's life. The question is whether there are intelligent beings that are capable of communicating with us.
It will search for the first stars and black holes in the universe, as well as studying the sun and planets. Its antennas are grouped together in 48 separate stations over the northeastern Netherlands, as well as in Germany, France, the UK and Sweden.
It will be, of course, very exciting that other life on other planets would exist. The problem, of course, is that it is difficult to communicate because it takes years and years, hundreds of years, thousands of years for those signals to receive Earth. And of course, to communicate it will be very difficult. But the mere fact that other life at other planets exists, it will be, of course, very exciting.
Even more advanced radio telescopes are already being developed to look further into space. But an icy field in the Netherlands could be where science fiction becomes science fact. Tim Friend, Al Jazeera, Exlu, the Netherlands.